centuries, most people could only experience the breathtaking beauty of stained glass in church and cathedral windows. Then came Louis Comfort Tiffany, a gifted American artist and craftsman. From his genius, a new and unique art form was born. Today, Dale is one of the world's largest manufacturers of Louis Comfort reproductions, carrying on the tradition of both beauty and craftsmanship. True art glass is created by a special process called the batch process, which blends and swirls various colors of molten glass to create unique and individualized patterns. After the colors are hand-blended in this batch process, the glass is rolled into sheets, preserving the subtle variations in color that will ultimately make every Dale lamp a unique work of art. This creative process continues at the factory, where each sheet of glass is cut into a myriad of small pieces according to a master design pattern. Since glass cannot be soldered directly to glass, these pieces must be individually edged with copper foil, an operation that is crucial to the strength and structure of the shade. The prepared glass pieces are then carefully assembled over various molds or templates according to the style shaping produced. This is a slow and intricate process, requiring both patience and skill, as each piece is accurately positioned in the correct place. In order to complete the shade, each piece is soldered both inside and out, then finished to a soft smoothness. Careful attention to detail distinguishes each design. Many shades contain over 1,000 individual pieces of glass, as seen in the wisteria, the lotus leaf, and the peacock, all LC Tiffany hallmark designs. Our shades often incorporate other construction techniques as well. Intricate filigrees of thin pierce metal may be used to accent a dragonfly wing, or to provide a major design element using acid etching on delicate solid brass filigree. As you can see, Louis Comfort Tiffany was entranced with flowers and recreated them in all sizes, shapes, and colors in the patterns of his lamps. These smaller adaptations by Dale retain all the charm of the originals, yet provide alternative sizes suitable for today's varied living spaces. A special division at Dale reproduces the exquisite hand-painted shades that were created by a contemporary of Tiffany, Philip J. Handel. These reverse-painted shades require special techniques in order to paint on the insides of the shade. In Handel's many designs, we see lampshades of exquisite beauty that are normally found only in museums or fine auction galleries. Favril, meaning handcrafted, is the term Louis Comfort Tiffany chose to emphasize that his glass pieces and shades were hand-blown. The colors are ingrained within the glass itself, creating a varying distinctive iridescence to each piece. Dale offers a complete line of Favril lamps and home accessories such as vases, bowls, chargers, and wall art. In addition to Tiffany reproduction and Favril product lines, Dale's professional design staff is constantly creating unique products that blend perfectly with today's current home fashion trends and lifestyles. The brilliance of the crystal product line adds a touch of elegant luxury to any decor. The vibrant hand-cut crystals on chandeliers, lamps, and home accessories will add grace and style to any room in your home. Dale not only thinks of beauty, but ways to conserve energy as well. Many of the lighting products use the technology of integrating the LED bulb directly into each socket, which makes them energy efficient as it enhances and invigorates any space in your home. Once, you had to be one of America's elite to experience the beauty of Tiffany glass. Today, Dale has reproduced Louis Comfort Tiffany's unique lighting pieces for everyone to enjoy in their own homes. These, along with all the other fine Dale products, are the result of uncompromising craftsmanship and artistic integrity. When you possess a Dale Tiffany product, you truly possess both timeless beauty and an emerging heirloom in a time-honored tradition.